So yeah, I'm gonna be reading a comic and comic thing, and like I'm just gonna read Shelly's parts because I'm bored. And also R3 and underscore AD0RES made this, so thanks. This should be the last generation since 2 are already done. Now all I have to do is wait for the timer to hit 0. I hope Shedletsky is doing alright. He still hurt this to striking that monster. That's awful. I can't read all of it too fast. You got this, Shedletsky! Shedletsky! I believe in you! You got this. Thanks. Wrong one.